Hey guys, recently GSTN has issued one specific advisory regarding difference between table 8A and 8C of GSTR-9. As we all know that for financial year 2023-24, the input tax credit which has been reflected in table 8A is auto-populated from GSTR to B. So in that case, there may be chances of multiple differences. Hence, government has also come up with this specific advisory. Although multiple ambiguities are there in this advisory itself. So, we'll cover the point one by one. In first point, they have covered the specific situation in which certain input tax credit related to financial year 2023-24, but the counterparty has shown the same in the subsequent period GSTR-1. And due to that, the same will not be reflected in my 2B. So, as per this specific advisory, that input tax credit which has been shown during the subsequent financial year in GSTR 2B, the same has been shown in the table number 8C and table number 13 of GSTR 9. In second scenario, they have covered a specific situation in which the taxpayer has claimed the input tax credit during the financial year 2023-24, but the taxpayer has not made the payment to the supplier within 180 days, and due to that non-payment, the supplier has reversed the input tax credit as per second proviso to section number 16. Now, during the subsequent financial year, that means the financial year 2024-25, the taxpayer has made the payment to the supplier and claimed the input tax credit, that means reclaimed that input tax credit. In such a scenario, as per this advisory, the same should not be shown in table 8C or 13. The same should be shown during the subsequent financial year, that means while filing the GSTR 9 of financial year 2024-25 in the specific point 6H. The third scenario in which the taxpayer has received the input tax credit in GSTR 2B, but the taxpayer has not received the goods. Hence, once the taxpayer has claimed the input tax credit in the specific point 4A 5 of GSTR 3B and reverse the same in point number 4B2 of GSTR 3B. In such a scenario, as per this specific advisory, the same should be shown in the table number 8C and the table number 13 of GSTR 9, because during the subsequent financial year, when the goods has been received by the taxpayer has already claimed the input tax credit within the timeline of section 16 subsection 4. In fourth number point, they have covered a specific situation in which certain input tax credit which is related to financial year 2020-23, but the same has been there in GSTR 2B and table 8A, then what will be the treatment? So as per this specific advisory related to financial year 2020-23, we need not to make any adjustment, we need not to make any reconciliation or any reflection of that input tax credit in the GSTR 9 of financial year 2023-24. Because this GSTR 9 is completely based on the input tax credit related to current financial year, not related to the previous financial year. In fifth situation, they have covered a specific scenario in which certain input tax credit which has been claimed during the same financial year, reversed during the same financial year and reclaimed during the same financial year. For that purpose, as per this specific advisory, the same should be shown in table 6H of GSTR 9. The same should not be shown in the reversal part of GSTR 9. That is what is the important things of this advisory. Although there are multiple ambiguities in this specific advisory, we'll cover the same in a separate video as well. Very soon we are coming with a detailed video on the issues related to the reconciliation. So stay tuned, stay connected. If you have any query, any question related to GSTR 9, feel free to comment the same in the chat box. Thank you.